Hey there, friends! It's me, Learning Leo. Are you up for an adventure today? Come on, let's drive around and see what we can find. Today, we will be learning about skip counting. Counting by skipping numbers is a fun way to count the numbers that we are familiar with. Instead of counting each number, we pick a pattern, like every 2 or 10 numbers, and count with that instead. Wow! There really are so many kinds of things you can do with numbers if you use your imagination. We can use the street numbers to help us skip count. Let's skip count by 2 to start. We can do this by skipping every other number when we count. We skip by 2. That's how we'll count. Look at the street numbers and count with me. Let's skip count by 2 until 10. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good job! Remember, since we're skip counting by 2, we are only counting every other number or 1 out of every 2 numbers. Let's try skip counting by 2 until 10 again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Great job! Now that we've practiced a bit, let's try skip counting by 10. All the way to 100. It's the same idea, just a different pattern. Count 1 out of every 10 numbers. Let's count to 100 by skip counting every 10. Do you think you can do that with me? Can you count every 10 numbers until we get to 100? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Skip counting is a fun exercise we can do to play with the numbers that we know and practice making patterns. You can try skip counting with any number. We are using 10 because it's one of my favorites. Let's try counting again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Maybe you can try skip counting by 2 or 5 or by odd and even numbers. You can count as high as you like. It's a very fun way to keep your brain exercising. How about one more skip count by 10 to 100 before we head home? Join me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I'm glad we were able to skip count by 10 together today. But I'm even more glad that I have you, dear friend, along for the ride. Thank you so much for learning and playing with me today. Looks like I made it home. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for coming with me on another episode of Ride Along Learning. If you like this video and want to watch more episodes of Ride Along Learning, don't forget to subscribe to I Am Learning. You can ask an adult to help you if you don't know how. I hope to see you next time, friend. I'm Learning Leo, and have an amazing day. What's the start?
Let's skip count by 2.
Nangingiti na lang. It's the same idea, just a different pattern. Count 1 out of every 10 numbers.